Yeah, because you don't understand how much you eat like a damn animal.
Get you.
An eating competition of who can eat the most pizza, pregnant daddy or pregnant mommy. Yeah, because you don't understand how much you eat like a damn animal.
Get you.
An eating competition of who can eat the most pizza, pregnant daddy or pregnant mommy.
No, it's from Mommy. Daddy's a pig because he eats 3 plates. He eats 3
At least I don't go in the kitchen sneaking food and drinking out the gallon of juice and not covering the lid.
You do sneak food.
No?
Yes, you do, because you eat food when I'm not around.
That's not sneaking. They're just not around.
Sneaking is doing it secret.
Exactly.
I
know what I'm talking about.
And I'm sneaking in the kitchen and
Just I going running to side thought I was asleep and he over there trying to get another piece of another ice cream. Yeah.
Yeah, he did. I was downstairs.
Thank you.
I was downstairs, but I'm just trying to do it. No, I wasn't trying to get the
ice pops.
No, I was trying.
Yeah,
I was getting
Stop
those
lying.
chips because you opened the thing. I saw you. The thing was open. The thing was open because of you. He did sneak chips though. He did. Yeah. Just followed along. Only chips, no ice cream. Yeah.
You ate an ice cream too. 2 of them.
They're not thick.
So y'all just be eating.
I just came downstairs and asked who said he stuff and said Daddy said. What?
It's not a bad thing that y'all be eating. Mommy didn't have access to all that food when I was growing up.
Hell no. Who would have known an egg?
No, Mommy been eating healthy stuff.
We talking about when we was kids.
Eggs are amazing.
Okay, we going.
This is inside my ear.
Oh, it's a meat-free pizza.
Meat free.
olives, mushrooms, red onions, and green peppers.
That is the meat free.
Obviously.
Pepperoni. That is
Obviously,
a
I
lot.
need you to stick your finger in my food. I
I
know what that
didn't
is.
tweet at it. I didn't stick my
Why
finger.
you had to come so close to it like that?
I was like this. I wasn't close.
Eat, man.
Right, that's very close. I do know
No,
what
do
that
it in
is.
the camera, serious. Guess
Look,
what? The camera can't see
yes.
us.
Big foot. Right.
First like 10 times, so you're gonna block edit that?
No. You just got first.
I can see Daddy. I see you.
Let's get thick
I
in here.
swear I never eat as much pizza in my life as I got with you.
Lies.
I promise to God.
We're gonna be taking you guys to Jump Zone.
I never really did pizza buffets like that. Or pizza.
You were the first person that brought me CC's.
Yeah, because you
I
like
like this. I like it.
Hey,
Well, you lost your ring. Yeah, I
hey,
remember.
pizza.
I didn't want to come.
Whatever.
You were paid a pizza, honey.
I never seen somebody that is in such denial in my life.
Now this pizza store is better than this. All the
Oh,
other.
you don't like pizza?
Pizza Hut.
You don't like pizza?
I hate Pizza Hut.
How come every single time I order pizza,
I love this
and you talk about
pizza.
sneaking, you talk about sneaking and pissing. He will eat the
Because they have
pizza
lots
in
of
secret.
pizzas.
He'll try to eat the pizza while I don't see him eating it because I don't like pizza. Next thing you know, it'll be three
Yeah,
slices
you
fishes
eat-
out the box.
Yeah, you be eating it. No, Jace don't be eating it.
Stop picking it. Eat. Stop.
Jace always goes to sleep. Jace always goes to sleep, and I wake up and I don't see Jace. And I don't see any food on his face.
No, it's just. It's
If there was
just
food
talk.
on his face, that means that.
Wipe your mouth.
You be mad because he be telling the truth. It's
Don't
like
know
how
what
you
you're
tried
talking
to curse Jake's out last night. Jake, shut the hell up. Because he was telling on you.
What did Jace was telling on him? What?
Troy, you teaching these kids wrong, Troy.
What? No, try that.
You
Why am I
teaching
teaching that?
to snitch.
How?
Eat.
Jace told that he was
Stop.
eating chips in the living room.
On tap.
On the couch. And he's supposed to be sleeping. But all you hear is Jake, shut the hell up.
And Jace. Mommy, and can I tell you one thing? You said that you said when we first buy the couch, you guys
No
cannot
sleeping?
eat on it.
No
And
eating.
Dad even
Mommy
eating
does
on
all of
it.
it.
And he's been sleeping on it. And you sleep on it. And we're watching Spawn, you sleep.
Yeah,
And
he
he
does.
was sleeping.
He does sleep on it though.
Why you ain't
And he
watching
was
mine?
sleep.
I
was-
watched those upstairs.
He was sleep on the couch,
Yeah.
Troy got
watching
home.
Spawn, hanging
He didn't
on.
want to deal with nobody.
He was hanging on the couch.
What
He
happened?
was hanging on the couch like this.
When you came back home yesterday, how come you didn't want to be around anyone?
If I knew they were watching Spy on the door, didn't
What?
I? If I knew they were watching Spy on the door, didn't
But,
Jace told you we were watching Spot.
he didn't.
but Frank said you came back and you didn't look happy.
You went straight into the bathroom and then I called
I
you like
had to
that.
be. I was peeing.
You said you were crying.
You look like you was crying.
You said you were crying.
How?
I don't
You
know,
look
I'm asking
sad.
you.
Is what I told you about.
How though? I'm confused.
Where's
I
Jace?
wasn't sad at all. It's fine.
So you were fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
What's up, camera? Staring at me.
Don't have this kid as your brother. He's so mean to everyone.
You want to get more?
Yeah, I
If
know.
there's some more of that vegetarian pizza, can you grab some? A couple more slices? So what's up, son? Hi, son. do at your dad's. Yeah. Look your dad up by yourself. Close your, why you hiding your face?
I'm not.
Why camera can't see it? Why you just put it on? Why you trying to take it off?
Because I'm hot.
Then what you put it on for?
I don't know. You said it was going to be quick cold, even though it wasn't. My jacket. Why did? I colored it. I colored it, Mommy.
Last man said, a lady went to prison for fake last name.
Try it so scary. It was creepy.
How dare you?
Where?
He's still making it.
What happened? So what happened? You gotta get your money's worth? Huh?
Hey, I paid
You paid $23. $23.
$30.
$23.
How much you want to bet?
A cinnamon roll?
I bet you suck my toes.
Nobody's sucking your nasty, disgusting
My
toes.
feet softer than a baby.
It doesn't matter that it's soft. You sit there and you pick ingrowns out of your toes and you have dried up crusty ass blood in the side of your foot.
No,
and
it's
you
not.
think somebody's gonna want to put that toe in their mouth?
What's that say?
So technically that's not $30. That's $29.30.
$29.
No, you didn't. You said 30.
Sit down, Jay.
Daddy, they was taking his nails off and he put on the couch.
Yep. And I said,
No.
who cut their nails on the couch? Didn't I see it on the couch back when I was sitting down?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
You did.
And I had to flick it off the couch.
Yeah.
Yes.
But that was probably something I chewed and spit out my mouth.
That's disgusting. But what's even nastier is that you sit there and will pick that ingrown out of your toenail until it bleeds.
How,
And
there's
then you
no
have,
other way of taking it
and
out,
then you,
honey.
What's an ingrown?
oh
Some
my
people get
God.
it surgically removed. So
Exactly, and then and then you leave the dried up, crusted
No, I put
blood in
alcohol
between
on
your
it and I
toenail.
wash my toe later
Then why it still be black around your toenail?
because of socks.
That's disgusting. And you think somebody gonna want to put that in their mouth?
It's happened.
That's nasty.
Yeah.
Happened.
It is
And it felt-
nasty.
and it felt immaculate.
Mommy, even someone's mushy toe. No. Even someone's
Now,
mushy
you guys,
toe.
y'all
Even
got
someone.
y'all got your mama ugly feet, all of y'all.
Shut up.
Oh my feet is ugly, but you sucked them toes before. Yes, you have. Yes, you have. Yes, you have.
Freud, look at me. Freud.
That
tell me.
ugly face, the rock face you got going on.
Put that dirty hand on my mouth.
Trying to look like the Rock Troy with his one eyebrow. Troy.
Would you put your mama foot in your mouth?
Why would he put his mother's foot in his mouth? That's disgusting.
Yeah,
You are nasty.
The titty in his mouth?
When he was a
baby?
baby?
He's still your baby, ain't he?
No.
No, he's not. You just. Mommy just calls him that because he's.
Thank you.
Mommy just calls him that because mommy's his mom. What did he just?
It's light. It's better lighting over there.
What did he say?
Over here it's dark.
He said BEAUTi-IS-HER.
Because the sun is this way, so it looks better there.
This?
Yes.
Who said that?
That child.
He didn't say that.
Don't pat my finger.
You still hungry?
I mean, if you put it close to my mouth, I might just bite it. I gotta be hungry. Just have to.
We'll see when we get home.
5%
Oh
battery.
yeah, really? Come on, come in my face. Let's do it right now. Come on.
Hold on, I got an itch. Come on, you said put it right now.
That.
Really? That's what we gonna do?
Hey, you
Really? You gonna put your finger and scratch your behind and try to put? I said come. I said your face.
Oh,
I didn't
oh,
say nothing about your
oh.
finger. Hey, that's what you want to do? Let me go home and take a dump real quick and not wipe properly, and I'm gonna come sit on your face.
Go ahead.
Mommy. Or you can go poop on your head.
He would like that though, Josiah.
What? What? Mommy.
So you want to try the apple fritter?
No, you should whoop Daddy like he's a little kid.
Sometimes Daddy needs a whooping like he's a little kid, but I think he would like that too, Josiah.
Dave, would you like that? Yo,
What?
Sai, I found you in this game. Look.
Like a little
I
kid.
found you, Sai. I found you. Look.
He's gonna have to
This
get
is where you belong. Right there. Right there. Right there.
What do you call my son? Trash?
Yes, exactly what he is. Hey, I'm good. I know. I
Your breath
killed
smell
him.
like trash.
I killed him. Better than yours.
Troy, you know what you do? Troy, you know what you do? You go doo-doo on your face. You go doo-doo on your face.
What kind of comeback is that?
Did he make some?
That is.
Did he tell
That is
someone? to
absolutely
go-
horrible.
Did you make someone to go?
Just like
Did you make some? Did you make someone? Go,
I heard that. That's why his breath smell like that. Oh no.
Troy, can I tell you one thing? Can I tell you one thing?
Drop it, babe.
Troy, can I tell you one thing?
Oh yeah, you gotta check in the camera and see what your mouth look like.
Can I tell you?
Yeah,
Your breath comes from your tongue. My tongue's perfectly fine.
Can I tell you something? Troy, can I tell you
Perfectly
something?
fine.
Except when you got that geographic tongue, all them damn patches in.
Yeah, I got it from you.
Stick it out. All them damn.
Yeah, I got it from you.
Did I tell you that?
Atlas, my teeth is straight.
At least my teeth is straight. You can't talk right with straight teeth. Straight, open your mouth.
Straight up your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Look,
Open your mouth. Open your
I
mouth.
mean, Troy does look like he's been chewing on rocks his whole life.
Oh.
How dare you? If I've been chewing on rocks my whole life, I got it from you then. Since you're my mom.
I killed him. I killed Buddy.
Since your mom.
You ain't get it from mommy.
You
Mommy
got that
teeth
from your
straight.
daddy.
Troy,
Nah, I got it from you.
what's
That
Troy?
teeth jacked up like that?
Troy, would you ever see a
His
goat?
mom. Yeah.
Troy, would you ever see a goat go poo poo? You always go on the ground and you start eating his poo poo.
What?
You start eating the goat's poo poo when it goes poop.
What kind of roast is that? That is something, a trash can. No, I need a better roast than that.
After that, you breath smell like doo doo.
At least I brush my teeth.
Atlas,
You do got you on there just like because you don't be brushing your teeth.
Atlas,
Although you did have 8 cavities, so you
I
may
brush my
not be
teeth.
brushing thoroughly.
I brush my teeth. Look.
that means every time.
Me and you.
You?
We should have a competition. Slice for slice.